Hello friends, today we are going to start with the topic constructor in CPP language. So basically constructors are special class members which are called by compiler every time an object of that class is instantiated. Okay, so whenever we create object of that class, constructor is called by the compiler automatically. This happens every time we create object of that class. Next, constructor have the same name as the class. Okay, so if your class name is employee, the constructor name will be employee. If your class name is student, the constructor name will be exactly same student opening closing bracket and may be defined inside or outside of the class. Okay, now we will see some special characteristics of constructor for more better understanding. They should be declared in public section only. As we know, we have access provider public and private. In that, constructors are compulsory declare in public section only. They don't have return type, not even void. So we don't have to write down anything before constructor in their definition. They get automatically invoked when the object is created. Okay, so every time object is created, constructor are called or invoked automatically. Okay, and like other function, they can have default arguments. Okay, we can pass arguments to the constructor. Now we'll actually see the example. Here I have taken the class employee, and in main module, main function, the employee object of employee even is created. Okay, so let us go inside the definition of class employee. Here, employee number and salary are the data members of this class. Then, in public section, we have declared employee opening closing bracket. So it is the constructor of this class. Okay, so let us go inside its definition. Here, I have written a message that we are inside a constructor will be displayed using cout and some initialization is done. So basically constructors are used for initializing an object. So employee number 1 and salary 10,000 is the initialization for the data members whenever object is created. And I have declared one more function, member function, void display, in which employee number and salary is displayed. So let us come back to main function where employee class from employee class even object is created. So at the time of creation, so on this line exactly your constructor will be called automatically. Constructor is called here automatically. We don't have to write down anything, nothing. Let us call event.display. So now we dry run this program within our mind. So it will first line of execution will be your main function in which object of event will be created. So when event is created, constructor is called. So it will jump to this employee constructor. Here within a constructor, message will be displayed and salary and eno will be initialized. After that, display function is called. So it will jump to display function and its number and salary will be displayed. So what is the number currently? ENO 1. So this is how it will be shown. So we execute this program and the output is within a constructor, employee number is 1 and salary is 10,000. This initialization is done using constructor concept. I hope you understand basic concept behind the constructor. Thank you.